let's look at some examples of the fundamental counting principle. We look at different counting methods for a little bit, but in this video, the fundamental counting principle. Now I'm going to use this when I have clear, distinct groups. Okay, so here's one example. How many different meals can be made from the following choices? So I have appetizers, entrees, and desserts. No overlap there. I'm not choosing 3 appetizers, I'm choosing 1 of each. So in this case, the fundamental counting principle, it's pretty clear. We just multiply our choices together. So we have 5 choices for appetizers, 10 for entrees, and 3 for desserts. So 5 times 10 gives me 50, times 3 gives me 150 choices. And that's it. Fundamental counting principle is really straightforward. We just need to know when to apply it. So again, I'll apply it when I have clear, distinct groups. Let me show you another example that might be a little more confusing about the groups. So let's say on a test that there are multiple choice questions with 4 choices each. So you can mark A, B, C, or D. And let's say that we have 5 multiple choice questions. So 5 multiple choice questions, each with 4 choices. So it'd be like marking A, B, C, or D. So we want to know how many possible ways are there to answer these questions. So again, for each one, they're their own choice. They don't reflect one another. The answer for the third one has no effect on the fourth or the second. So each one is its clear own question. So that means for the first multiple choice question, I have 4 choices, A, B, C, or D. For the second multiple choice question, I have those same choices. So for each one of the 5 questions, I have 4 choices. So there are 5 questions, and each question has 4 choices. So it's going to be 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 for my final answer. All right. If you want to type this in a little bit quicker, you can always do it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's also 4 to the 5th. They're both going to give us the same thing. They're both going to give us an answer of 1,024. Either way you want to do it. So again, this is the fundamental counting principle. When I have clear, distinct, standalone groups of things.